Meaning of forceps.
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 Forceps. Forceps refers to a type of surgical instrument that is used for grasping, holding, or extracting tissue or foreign objects. It typically consists of two long handles that are joined together at one end by a pivot, and two blades located at the other end. The blades can be either straight or curved, and they may have teeth or smooth surfaces depending on the intended use. When used properly, forceps can help surgeons perform delicate procedures with precision and accuracy, minimizing damage to surrounding tissue and improving patient outcomes.